Hi there again. In this section, we'll be talking about partials and importing partials. So we'll cover both sections 6 and 7 in this video. So partials are an easy way for you to modularize your CSS. So simply you create a partial Sass file, put some Sass in there, and then you can import it in other Sass files and reuse it. In CSS, there is an import option. However, in CSS, it makes an HTTP request every time you use import. However, in Sass, because it compiles it, it does not make an HTTP request. It will just combine it in one CSS file. Let's just take a look at some sample code to get a better understanding. Okay, so let's create a partial here. We'll create one for, how about some base styles? So we'll call it _base.SCSS, and we'll go ahead and how about a background color of a light yellow. I believe you like something like that, and we'll give it a font family, font stack of Arial and sans serif. So when this gets applied, we'll see on the right hand side that the background should turn to a light yellow, and it should have a sans serif Arial font instead of this Times Roman serif font. So let's go ahead and import this base Sass file in our main test Sass file right over here. You simply type @ import space single ticks. I believe you can use double ticks as well. It's whatever you're comfortable with. And you simply just type base. You don't need the underscore. You don't need the .sass. It just knows. Don't forget to put a closing semicolon though. Save that. Refresh, and there you go. Light yellow background and sans serif font. So to get a better idea of partials and importing, let's go ahead and do another quick example. We'll organize some of these files a little bit. How about we create a partial file called variables, where we'll put these variables in. Save that. Actually, get rid of that. Import variables. Everything should pretty much be the same, which it is. That's great. And that pretty much includes how you use partials and importing.